This is the feature video for the 0.13.12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6 releases. First thing you'll notice is in the modifier bucket, the other modifiers, we've just replaced them with larger buttons. By the way, my modifier bucket is set really large. In the system settings, you can change the scale factor of the modifier tooltip, and I prefer very large. I have large monitors and old eyes. This next feature is after you've rolled initiative, the GM, and only the GM, can drag actors in the combat tracker to change their initiative. If I need Bog to go after Ilya, I do that. If I need Alejandro to go in the end, I can do that. If I need Bog to go up the front and do that. And it just modifies their speed number only for the combat tracker to change their order. Next, we've added a system setting to set the default action for the damage dialog. It used to default to apply injury, and if you were trying to apply the injury to NPCs and not show your PCs what the damage was, then you had to manually change it. So now there's a way you can set that. You can set it to default to always apply injury or always apply injury quietly, or this new feature, target. If the target of the damage is a player character, it defaults to public. If the target of the damage is a non-player character, it defaults to quiet. So if I drag this damage onto Bog, who's a player character, it'll default to apply injury. But if I drag the damage onto Ilya, who is a non-player character, it defaults to quiet. And in conjunction with the Token Action HUD module, we've added the full support with that. If you select on a character and you have the Token Action HUD module, then you get the Action HUD. And we support basically everything we can find on the character sheet, and if there are on-the-fly formulas embedded in the name or the notes, then they will be thrown up here as well. And there's a Token Action HUD setting to determine whether or not you show the maneuvers. If you're in combat, and that is true, then it'll put all the maneuvers up here, and you can click them from here as well as on the token from this setting or on the character sheet from this setting. We enhanced the @margin features so that if you're creating a modifier based on the margin, when you look in the margin, it tells you why. It was the +2 margin that you made for your previous skill roll, which was carousing. And of course, we just fixed a ton of bugs. So if you happen to encounter a bug, please check what version you're on. We released a whole bunch of versions. That's how we got to 0.13.12. And your bug may already be fixed. Let's hope so. And there it is, short and sweet. I just wanted to show you a few of those little features we added, which I think will be kind of useful. And I'm actually really excited by the Token Action HUD module, but maybe that's just me. But when I ran a couple of example combats myself, wow, did it save me a lot of time. Okay, that's it. And as always, thank you for watching.